This video will explain how to use the Desmos graphing calculator to solve quadratic equations. To access the Desmos graphing calculator, there are a few platforms that you may go to. First, you may go to www.desmos.com on a computer web browser or on your cell phone. The other ways that you may do it depends on if you have an Apple iPhone or an Android phone. If you have an Apple iPhone or an Apple iPad, you can download the Desmos app in the App Store. That is a very nice app that allows you to take pictures within the app and save them so that you're able to complete your work. It's very user-friendly. And then you can do the same thing if you have an Android phone. You can download the Desmos app in the Google Play Store. And so those are what each screen will look like if you're trying to access it on either platform. Once you get onto Desmos, your screen is going to look like such. You're going to be given a blank coordinate plane. You're going to be given an on-screen calculator. And you're going to be given options for you to input equations. So over here on the left is where you will be typing in the equations that you're trying to find the solution for. So the first equation that we want to find a solution for is x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 25. So the problem told us to solve, and it gave us this given equation. So you type it into Desmos just as you see it, even things that are after the equal sign. So I know that's different from your TI calculator, but when you're on Desmos, you type the whole entire equation, including the equal sign, into the field. And so once you type in the equation, it will give you a graph. When you're trying to solve equations, you have to remember your vocabulary words. Another word for a solution is a zero or a root. So we are looking to see where our graph crosses the x-axis and is a zero or a root. So for us, our two solutions namely are x equals -7 and x equals 3. Okay, I'll do another example. So let's say we were told to solve or identify the solutions for the equation x times x plus 2 equals 0. Once again, this whole entire equation, including items after the equal sign or numbers after the equal sign, gets typed in to your field bar. Once you type into the equations, a graph will auto-populate. And you're looking to see where your graphs cross the x-axis, because another vocabulary word for solution is x-intercepts. You will have 0, 1, or 2 depending on your equation. And so once you have identified where they cross the x-axis, you write down your two solutions for this example. X is equal to -2 is a solution, and x is equal to 0 is a solution.